Why the hesitation? Tomorrow morning, the others will come for you, doing everything they can to kill you. So take the knife and kill them. At this point, it's the best chance you got.